Hi guys, welcome back to web scraping and mapping dam levels in Python. In the previous video, we downloaded and installed the Atom IDE. We also installed our terminal inside the IDE and verified that it was functioning. In this video, we'll be creating our Django skeleton application, which is the base of our application, and then we will open it in our IDE and run it to verify that Django is installed successfully. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to open up our Atom IDE from the start menu. Okay, so once that is open, we are going to open up the terminal in the right pane. So it's packages term 3. Okay, so once that is open, we are going to switch to our root user. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to navigate to my dam levels course folder on my desktop. Okay, so once I'm in there, I'm going to activate my virtual environment. So I'm first going to go to the dam levels project folder and then activate my virtual environment. Okay, once that is done, the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'm going to create the dam levels project using Django admin. So it's Django admin.py start project dam levels and then space and period. Okay, so once that has been created, we are going to verify that our files were created for us as well as our manage.py file. As you can see, our project is created and our manage.py file is created. So let's go into that project file and see what's in there. Okay, so as you can see, our settings.py file has been created for us. So now we change back. Okay, and the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create our dam levels app. So we have our dam levels project, which includes all our project files as well as manage.py, and then we have our dam levels app, which includes our files for our app, which are things like views.py or admin.py or models.py, those type of files. So in order to do that, we are going to say Python, and we're going to use manage.py now, which we have created. Manage.py start app, and we're going to call it dam levels app. Okay, so we verify if our app files were created for us. And as you can see, the dam levels app folder is here, and let's check if there's files inside. Okay, so as you can see, our admin.py, our views, and our models.py files, and the rest of our other app files have been created for us. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to change the permissions of the dam levels course folder as well as the subfolders and files inside to make sure that we can open it up in our IDE. So let's go back to the desktop level. Okay, so now that we're in our desktop, we are going to run sudo chmod 777. So we are allowing read, write, and execute full permissions on this folder for the public. It is not the safest way to do things, but in order for us to not run into permission issues while we are doing this course, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so it's R for recursively, and then the name of the folder, which is Dam Levels course. Okay, so once we have done that, we should now be able to make changes to this folder without running into permissions issues. So now we are going to open the project in our Atom IDE. So we go to File, Add Project Folder, and then Desktop, double click on Dam Levels course, click on Dam Levels and click OK. Right. So as you can see, our project has been imported into our IDE. So we have our Dam Levels app and we have our Dam Levels project files. Right, here they are. We have our manage.py and our requirements.txt. Okay, so our project has been imported successfully. So now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to start the Django server. So let's go back into our project folder. Okay, so now that we're in order to start our server, we are going to say Python manage.py run server. Okay, so our server is running and it has been started on port 8000 on this is the IP for localhost. So now let's open up our web browser. And let's navigate to localhost port 8000 where our application is busy running. And as you can see, our Django project has been set up and installed successfully. So it means that our application is running without any issues. If you see this page, so it says the install worked successfully, congratulations. So that will be it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.